Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to add LinkedIn leads to LeadSquared CRM. So I run a B2B business, and to promote my business, I'm running some LinkedIn lead gen forms. So now here in this case, I want that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen form, then automatically I want to add the lead received to my LeadSquared CRM as a new lead. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a B2B business and I use LinkedIn lead ads to capture potential clients interested in my services. So here on my screen you can see the campaign which I've created, and here you can see the name of my LinkedIn lead gen form over here. So now managing these leads manually can be overwhelming and I don't want to miss any follow-ups. So by automatically adding LinkedIn lead gen forms leads to LeadSquared CRM, I can ensure that every lead is captured and organized in one place. This allows me to quickly follow up, track interactions, and nurture leads effectively, helping me turn these prospects into clients without worrying about losing valuable contact information. It simplifies my process and helps me stay on top of my sales pipelines. So here to automate this process, I need to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with my LeadSquared CRM account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add LinkedIn lead as leads to LeadSquared CRM. And here I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn lead gen forms because I'm going to receive new leads through my LinkedIn lead gen forms. So LinkedIn lead gen forms are built-in forms that makes it easy for businesses to collect leads directly from their LinkedIn ads. When someone clicks on an ad, the form autofills their LinkedIn profile information so they can submit their details with just a few clicks. People use LinkedIn lead gen forms because it simplifies the process of gathering high-quality leads, reducing friction for users, and increasing the chances of conversions. It's perfect for businesses looking to capture contact information from professionals without requiring them to leave the LinkedIn platform. So here in my LinkedIn leads and forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads and form response, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our LinkedIn leads and form, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my LinkedIn leads and forms with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn leads and forms account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn leads and forms. Here you can see my account details are pre-filled over here because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn leads and forms account. So I'm going to click on the sign in. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the account and the lead form. So here to get this account name, let me take you back to my LinkedIn leads and forms account, and here you can see the account which I am using with the name Pabbly Ads account. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the account I'm going to select my account which is named as Pabbly's ad account. And now here after selecting my account, here you can see the lead form has already been selected. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the lead form which I have created for this account. And here in this case, I'm going to use my form which is named as lead form. And now here after selecting my account and the lead form, we are going to generate a test lead in our LinkedIn leads and form. So for that, let me take you back to my account. And here I'm going to select my form which I have created under this campaign. And now here I'm going to generate a test lead for my LinkedIn leads and form. So for that, here I'm going to click on this apply now. And here you can see it is asking me for the email address and the phone number. And here you can see the first name, last name and the company names are static. That means here I cannot change the first name, last name and the company name for this particular form. Because here I'm running a test campaign and a test form. That's why I have not received the option to edit the first name, last name and the company name. But if you're running the live campaign, then your lead will be able to add all the details over here. So here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the email address, I'm going to enter the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering the dummy details, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here after generating the test lead, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the form name over here. Scrolling little down, here you can see email address that we entered as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Scrolling little down, here you can see the random phone number. Here you can see the first name value as Pabbly over here. Scrolling little down, last name as subscription billing management service and the company name as Magnet Brains over here. So here you can see we have received the test response because here I was running a test campaign. But if you are receiving the live leads, then you will receive the response accordingly. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. But now here let me tell you that LinkedIn Leads and Forms is a pooling based application. That means it will look for the new responses in every 10 minutes. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. And now I want that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn Leads and Forms, then automatically I want to add that lead as a new lead in my LeadSquared CRM. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as LeadSquared CRM. So LeadSquared is a CRM and marketing automation platform designed to help businesses capture, track and manage leads. People use LeadSquared to streamline their sales process, automate tasks and improve lead conversion. It's especially useful for organizing customer interactions, tracking lead activity and running targeted marketing campaigns. Whether you are trying to generate more leads, nurture prospects or close sales faster, LeadSquared provides the tool to make your sales and marketing efforts more efficient and effective. So here in my LeadSquared action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update lead, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically that lead is going to add as a new lead in my LeadSquared CRM. And now here to connect my LeadSquared with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LeadSquared account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for the access key, secret key and the API host. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my LeadSquared CRM account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here I'm going to select settings over here. Now here under settings, I'm going to select API and webhooks option given in the left side bar. And here under API access keys, you can see we have received the API host, access key and the secret key over here. So now here I'm going to copy all the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the first name, last name, email address, phone number and some other details. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through our LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the first name. So for that I'm going to search for the first name over here. So this is the first name. So here I'm going to map it. Here for the last name, I'm going to search for the last name. So this is the last name. Here for the email address, I'm going to search for the email address. So this is our lead's email address. And here for the phone number, I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is our lead's phone number. And then here it is asking me for the address, city, state and some other details. So here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the status as success. Here you can see the message ID and message affected rows. So with this, we have successfully created a new lead in our LeadSquared CRM account as well. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the lead detail that we have created in our LeadSquared CRM with the name as Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. Here you can see the email and the phone number over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as LinkedIn lead gen forms and our action as LeadSquared. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our LinkedIn lead gen forms, then automatically that lead is going to add it as a new lead in our LeadSquared CRM account. And now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.